guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
That they promote negativity upon the land. Akobe, you be celebrity, abi you be mumu musician for Benin City there. Are you a mumu musician? Abi you be celebrity. Richard won't die. Now you will celebrate. You will celebrate who you can when they work for Europe. Who you can when they work benefit. Living on benefits, they will go take picture, can't give you. You consider that your chair. Can't they celebrate medocrats? Can't they celebrate idiots? What is wrong with you, Akobe? As you mumu rich, when they come Europe, you never stay work. As Richard just is war, you support the evil Richard they do. They support the evil Richard they prepare. In the land of opportunity, in not be work. In this house, they take pillow to the neck chair. Now, so you do Akobe. Now, so you do where you take become who you be today. What a useless Akobe. Useless musician. You not be celebrity. To support that evil child, that evil wife, whether they do saga, they born children, they cause nuisance for Europe, to make Oyibo they look us and so we did. You not be freedom fighter, you were just a comedian that was fortunate to get famous locally. You are a local famous musician. That is why you feel they support somebody like Richard. It's a shame and disgrace. They support Wunda, undocumented idiots like Richard Osadeye, a fraudster, a betrayer of the highest order. The only person they borrow cloth for Europe. Now you they support. Maybe you they borrow pants, they wear Akobe. You they borrow clothes, they wear. So they support Richard Osadeye. Every time you they support Richard for evil. Take a go to Benin, make God become your band boy. Make it day useful for once, for his life, to be useful to himself. It's a big nuisance to society in Europe. A big liability to the European government. Akobe will just sit down without a house every time. Osadeye, Richard. What are you supporting, Akobe? Wunda Akobe. A liability, a disgrace, a thief. Thief people name me ceremony. Akobe, you not get her. You lost all moral values for people to look you to be somebody. How many times you don't see people like the rest of the musicians? They support idiots. The way they support this Wunda, Richard Osadeye, for this Europe side. How many times have you seen great musicians? We have a lot of them. You can name them. The Alaskas, not those ones where they find all those Central musicians, the Kinebos musicians, not those ones. Ola or Egogo Ola, those are thieves, those are arm robbers. Confused idiots, the Colisimudias, the Happy Osas, the system don't they so polluted. The average Benin Pikin are just so thief. To thief, no principle, no honor. You just there for Benin there, they support Wunda Richard. When they fit come out for a house, where be say men like me go Kenya. Go take pictures house, they fool you. You be mumu. You be Wunda Akobe. I've never insulted you, but for you to support this evil boy, this evil, unrepentant idiot, I will insult hell out of you. You are very stupid to celebrate Unda Richard Sadei. Now, Una. Now I don't make the country work because they support evil people. What a useless man. What an idiotic man, Akobe. They just call you Richard. They support a woman will not work. It's just a supporter in Europe. What have happened to Una? Una change all moral decency. Now shower, Una tell make the women take get money. If they not can't get money because of a shower position, Una just put it to their head. You are a supporter of evil upon the land. Richard is not near anything good in this Europe side. He's a piece of shit and a liability to the land. That's what he is. You go sit down for your palo. You don't see you go celebrate. You be Mumu superstar. You be goat superstar. You know you're superstar. So you come to your palo. Hey, you want to celebrate Mama Nora, Richard, Mama Nora. Person with thief wife from a friend hand. You know reach to advise Richard say why thief wife for a friend hand. You Akobe, Unda Akobe, Unogbabe Akobe, goat head. Akobe just sit there every time Richard. Maybe the fucking mama. We hear say that in mama house, now your house you go hide the mama. You the fucking mama. Now you can sit there. Akobe, if I catch you, hand will touch you. For you to support evil. That a useless set of people. They go there for darkness. They prepare one evil boy for Europe here. They say the boy is good. Boy, when they donate money, after how many years for Europe, they donate money. They go lick evil people ask. He go lick Monica ask. They donate money for her to even rent house for a mother. That kind of person you dey support. You are a failure. A complete failure. A complete thief. You be thief like Richard when they thief people close. When they conspire to call people, to come disguise, they call people parents up and down. Make them humiliate people for Europe here. You will collect John Richard. Very soon, you will collect John Richard. Are they public domain? I will give you water. Make Richard come carry pillow, come dey hit. When Richard will collect. The thing where it go explode for Richard, it goes explode with you Akobe. It go explode for Richard, come hit you. Oh, go kill Richard outside the way you celebrate. No, go kill Manora. That idiotic people. Evil people on earth. What are evil people you support Akobe? Useless Akobe. Wunda. Mama Nora will be tied with blood ties. May will be tied Richard for not standing firm as a man to stand for the lane of good judgment among men. To stand on the lane of good judgment among men. One can come with deceit, Connie. Can't look say he be human being. He is worthless than tissue. That's what he is. Richard is worthless than this tissue. I want to clean my nose. He's so worthless, so idiotic. Without a German government benefit, that boy not fit rent one room by himself to pay. Now you dey celebrate a redundant dog ass bench woman. What a useless Akobe, useless musician that you are. Who will be tied a billion times to celebrate idiotic ideas on this earth. Behind the broadcast for dinner. And they peruse through the face of the surface of Facebook because they say Wunda, we say Giato, they celebrate Wunda Osade Richard. You say, Gato, you have me to contend with for the next 301 years. I will beat you, Woto. I will tell you 1001 reasons why you're not supposed to deal with that idiot. They're a complete maga, idiot. You know, celebrity. You'll be idiot, you'll be failure. Whoever they behind you, I will take you to the unlimited place which I choose to place you. Your boy Richard is a baby before me. Anything we chop, I don't chop a double. It's a little boy. As you the air, say you be celebrity. You collect from me water. I will beat you with intellectual prowess. I will beat you with words. I don't do saga, but for your case, I will do saga. For you to support evil, to support an idiot like Richard Osadeye, I will not relent on you. I will not relent on you. Every time I come beat pillow for chair, I will put Richard where he rightly belong. And if need be, before he will get document to go Nigeria, I'll put him mother where our mother belong to. It's a promise. Osadeye Richard, that made the chest up. I tell you, say, before you go Nigeria, I go pick your mother out where I choose to place her put. There will she be. You go there. You will be there crying. They sing that your cockroach music. The singer, you love your mama, but you not figure what it takes to take care of your mama. And what I go teach you. We say Gato. How many times you don't see the rest musicians? They come because they support evil. How many times you don't see no Wama they come because they support evil. I go beat you, water. As they support evil, I go beat you, water. I will take you to anywhere you want to go. That's where you're going to go to. For your case, I will go to the extreme. I they forgive easily, but for your case, I will take you to the extreme. If you not give up on this idiot, this nuisance, this person will betray his sister, will bring her to Europe. You call the celebrator. You are equally worthless. Equally worthless. I would sing. You don't go to enter Europe again. You will say Yato. You cannot enter Europe again. Your document will be dead on arrival. Your document will be dead on arrival. All the conditions they go, I go burn her for her hand. You not fit come show for Europe. You not go fit come any show. I go to report you to the police. Everybody, FBI, America, you cannot enter. What is wrong with you? Are you stupid? Are you so idiotic? We see a ghetto. If we just cheat some of the lukuna. Can't take that fraudulent visa anymore. If I shut up for 2 days, I put my channels. You know if you enter Europe. Like you say that they celebrate Wunda, useless people, celebrate idiotic people. How you could take Europe again? I go see, henceforth. What are the idiotic people? They think from their axe, they don't think from their head. Enter this Europe again. Make a burn all the promoters package. I will burn the package. I'll be number one, the whistleblower. How do they come? How do they do? They're fraudulent. The activities they do. That. Ujachi. Now just don't conquer. They support evil. You know, see person to promote. Now, Kupu Yeke, you they support. Kupu Yeke. Wasteless, yansless. Wasteless and yansless. When they find trouble, with trouble no day. Now you say the support. Richard and small picky for my hands. Back and front. I know say the devil will cash out. He go cry to save his soul that day. It all depends on my benevolence to say whether he go save that day. Stupid child, idiotic child that you celebrate. An undocumented person now you celebrate. You don't see better people to even promote. You don't see people with chop belly food to promote. Wunda Richard. yeah, smelling rigmaroles idiots. I go to beat you, sha. I never take person case like you before, but you, we say Gato, I go beat you like never tomorrow because you be failure. When the dust come up for your head, they say person never come up for bush, you know throw the tip for your head. And not say you stick up, you come up for bush, you don't get yourself to a point, you see they put the tip for your head. For the sake of Richard, I go beat you to eternity. For the sake of Richard outside, I will beat you to eternity. I promise you that. I never finish with you. If you choose to believe it or not, I go finish you. I go finish you. I go take you to the last drain. You know, go play entire Europe again. When I start on your case, I leave Richard saying that small pikin, you go soon get sense. You dey go there, go sit down for your chair. Tell you to correct idiots. You promote her to consume more of those nuisance, which I'm sick and tired of. May woe betide Richard outside tonight, and many woes will be coming to him. And not put to for Mate Toka. That we say Igato. So evil.